To better understand the impact of waterlogging on crop yield, you need to look at a few factors. Firstly, how often and how long is the waterlogging occur? And that can be measured by the number of stress days. And one stress day would be defined as the top 1 foot of soil in excess of field capacity. The next factor is the plant growth stage, and that varies by crop type. As an example, for corn, with 1 day of waterlogging, at the early vegetative stage, you get a 3% yield reduction. At tasselation, you get a 5% yield reduction, and at ear development, you get a 2% reduction. So obviously it's most sensitive at tasselation. And then if we go to 2 days of excess, so 2 days of waterlogging, that 5% jumps up to 12%. So it actually gets worse over 2 days. That's because the crop can generally breathe okay, maybe for the first 12 hours, then the yield reduction will start to occur. That's why over 2 days, you can see the impact is greater. As an example, you can see 2 sides of this road. This culvert was blocked, and you can see there was waterlogging in this corn crop here, and it was completely wiped out. However, on this side, where the drainage was fine, you can see the crop's doing perfectly. These numbers that we're looking at here is only impact on yield. It doesn't include the impact that waterlogging has on the timeliness of machinery operations, such as planting, spraying, and harvesting, which all get delayed when 95% of the field may be ideal to do these operations, but 5% of the field has wet spots, and you can't send a machine in to do those operations until those wet spots dry out, and that reduces the yield on the other 95% of the field. So that's why at OptiSurface we think water management is the key to farm profitability, and we specialize in doing the least amount of earthworks to ensure a field drains perfectly. And if you'd like a free expert assessment of how OptiSurface can benefit your farming operation, please contact us at support@optisurface.com.